Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Dodge Charger. If you have one of those guys and you want to find where the fuse for the transmission shifter is located because your transmission does not work, the shifter, or it's stuck in park, stay with us. We'll explain where that fuse is located and we'll explain why it's super important to test it. Another thing guys, if that doesn't fix the problem, we'll talk what else can cause your transmission shifter not to work. So let's cover that in this video today. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. If you have a Dodge Charger, we'll be making even more. We'll be taking it completely apart, we'll be taking that engine apart, transmissions, anything practically, and we'll even have the 5.7 engine coming as well. Now, why we do all that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. And if you guys need to buy any parts, tools, fuses, replacement parts, relays for a really good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from, and you can guys save a ton of money. So let's start on it now. So this specifically, it's a 3.6 engine guys that we have here. Depending on the year, you may have up to 3 fuses that you need to check, okay, for a transmission shifter. 2 of them are known as the transmission control module. Now let me show you, this is the fuse box right here, right? You have one tab here, one there, you squish towards each other, you pull out, you flip it on the side, it comes here. The layout of the fuses here corresponds to what we have specifically right here. The first fuse guys, okay, that you will need to check now for the transmission shifter will be part of the transmission control module, which will be fuse number 29. We are talking about that fuse here. Test that fuse, check it out. Sometimes it's really hard to find if the fuse is burnt or not. We'll recommend to always test them, fuses, relays, when you have problems. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses and relays in a very short amount of time. So please check it out, it's for your convenience. The second fuse that you need to check is fuse number 37, right here. You need to check that one as well. And we have one more fuse that older cars may be actually fitted with that, and it's actually in the trunk. So let's go ahead and pop the trunk open on that Dodge Charger now. So right here we're going to go ahead, put the carpet liner. This is the spare tire, we have very limited room, and here we have one thing that we need to go ahead, okay, remove it. And the layout of that fuse box here corresponds, okay, let me see this way, corresponds to what we have here. So the fuse that we will need to check in that case, okay, will be fuse number 26. You may have or may not have this one. That's that second fuse right here, the one that you need to check, that fuse right there. If you have that fuse, okay, in most cases for our specific model and year guys, for the transmission module will be actually a 15 amp fuse. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.